always smiling, ready to help each and every needy and unmatched social worker. It is undoubtedly an honor for us to have him as the chief guest of the annual day celebrations 2010 of the school. He was born at Rohtak on 14th of February 1962. He started his career as a politician, and in his very first election, he won the election by a thumping majority above all the winners in Haryana in the recent elections. Since his taking over the charge of Chief Parliamentary Secretary, we the people of Karkoda and surroundings got a person who is pushing the development of the area which no other person has done so far. He is always busy in taking meetings of the offices, listening problems of the people of area and solving them on the spot. He has devoted his life for the upliftment of the poor. He is having special affection for children. I thank you, sir, for your presence and gracing us on this occasion. Now I extend a reverent welcome to Dr. R.S. Khadyanji, who has very kindly agreed to grace the occasion of our annual day celebrations, and he is expected any moment. I would like to speak a few words about him also. It's a privilege to have such an academic politician. As far as educational qualifications, he is the most qualified person in the assembly. He is MSc, LLB and have done doctorate with 2 subjects. I repeat, he has done PhD with 2 subjects. He started his career in the field of education as a professor in Hisar Agricultural University, and he was picked up by Chaudhry Devi Lal in politics and was allotted the portfolio of Cooperative Minister. He is an unbiased man. That is why he was elevated with the post of Speaker of Haryana Vidhan Sabha of last assembly. In addition to all his qualifications and rank in politics, he is a sober and dedicated leader. I also most warmly welcome Shri Satish Kumar Jain ji. He is a self-made man. He started his career with a very small business, and now he is a well-known personality in paper market. We respect his full devotion for the cause of education. He has also sponsored the fees of 2 needy children of our school, that is Master Rahul Chauhan of class 7 and Megha Khurana of class 8. I would like to mention that the fees per annum of each child comes out to be around rupees 10,000. It's per annum. We are thankful for this noble cause. To Jain sir. I again welcome you, sir. I also most warmly welcome Shri R.C. Munjalji, ex-regional director, DA Institutions and managing director, Central Academy, and now he is chairman of Children Education Trust, New Jersey, USA. I also welcome Shri R.S. Gargji, general manager, National Housing Bank, who is a helping hand to the school by his kind advices and guidance time to time. I also most humbly welcome the principals of various schools, Saraswati Arya ji, Mr. Bajaj, and other distinguished guests, members of the school managing committee, other invitees and dignitaries, the parents who have supported and cooperated us in all our ventures, and also the residents of the area. It is with their efforts only and their blessings that we could reach such heights in such a short span of time. On this momentous day, I remember those days of beginning, full of struggle and strife. As you know that this school is the first English medium school affiliated by CBSE New Delhi in this area. The resources meager and the task uphill, but the commitment and zeal were in abundance. My dedicated colleagues worked and are still working untiring in difficult circumstances, and the results have started pouring in. The school started with a strength of 180 students only and 40 staff members, which is now approximately 1,000 students and 43 staff members on roll. We have well-ventilated and furnished rooms, a big library with variety of more than 10,900 books catering to the needs and interests of the students. Library management software has already been installed. Our library will be fully computerized. We have well-equipped science labs for physics, chemistry and biology. and home science also, to nurture the scientific instincts amongst the students and to inculcate the habit of learning by doing. In the coming session, we are going to start teaching by audio-visual system, which are so-called smart classes. We are preparing our children to operate the computer so that they shall be able to seek information from the internet themselves. Honorable Minister of HRD, Shri Kapil Sibal has rightly said that there should be no strain on the tiny tots and young children. There should be a natural growth of young ones and there should not be any cutthroat competition among the children and fear psychosis. The APG school has already adopted the system of CCE from the very first session of the school. We don't give any positions, any ranks 1, 2, 3 to 3 children only. But we consider all the children above 90%, they are of A grade and they all are genius, and that from 85% to 89% are of B grade and so on. We are also having continuous evaluation system. Not only the marks of final exams makes the results, but the marks has been distributed in the tests conducted throughout the year in the form of unit tests and terminal examinations. That is what the CBSE is going to introduce this year in 10th class examination. The APG school has already adopted the system. Comprehensive evaluation means not only academic, but also we have to judge the capabilities of the child in all the spheres of life, like sports, like cultural programs, and other co-curricular activities. The school has set an appreciable path for board results and a tradition of 7% pass and 50% merits from the first session itself. Though our intake is from Hindi medium schools, but our students have shown excellent improvement, and today we are going to award more than 550 children for their outstanding category achievements, which is given for 75% and above. Our school has not limited its activities to academics only, but curricular and co-curricular progress too is commendable and praiseworthy. Each child of our school has to participate in at least one game and in one athletic event. We evaluate them in sports and other fields and grant them not only medals and certificates, but also put their grades in their annual report cards. Similarly, our report card contains the performance in computers, in general knowledge, in discipline, and all other types of skills of the children. We have 4 houses where regular intra and inter-house activities and competitions go on weekly, like essay writing competition, debates, poem recitations, painting competition, and dance competition, etc., etc. Today, the winners of these competitions will also be awarded. Just to inculcate creativity and worship for manual work, we have lots and lots of activities also, like candle making, clay modeling, botanical gardening, eco-environmental club, Kalpana Chawla Space Club, Newton's Science Club.
A special trophy for him, Sachin Gupta, and marks in CBSE exam. Students appeared 36, result percentage 100. Highest marks Sri Kailash Chand Jain, running trophy for GK competition. We feel delegated to declare the result of GK competition, house-wise competition. Shivam, third. Captain and vice captain, please come and got the prize.
हाँ ऐसे बोलेगी दुकान से नहीं।
Please give a big hand for them. Running trophy for drawing competition. We feel glad to declare the result of painting competition.
नीचे थोड़ा सा पीछे हाँ बात
Shahid Shri Surender Singh Daya and this trophy, this मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है ये अनाउंस करते हुए के मार्क्स 90% अबव हैं।
थे, लेकिन वो एकेडमिकली एक्सीलेंट हैं, उनका पूरा खर्चा स्कूल में वहन किए हुए हैं। तो मैं माननीय अतिथि से अनुरोध करता हूँ कि श्री सतीश कुमार जैन जी को एक ट्रॉफी दे करके सम्मानित करें।
वीणा की झनकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है, मधुबन की महकार ओम है, दर्शन का आकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है। ओम है सबसे पहला अक्षर प्रश्न का पहला उत्तर, ओम है सबसे पहला अक्षर प्रश्न का पहला उत्तर, ओम प्रथम गुंजित अनहद स्वर, ओम जगत है ओम चराचर, वीणा की झनकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है, मधुबन की महकार ओम है, दर्शन का आकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है, वीणा की झनकार ओम है। ओम प्रथम सत्ता का दर्शन, ओम सजग है ओम ही सर्जन, ओम प्रथम सत्ता